I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this session, we will build an intuitive understanding of virtualization without overlapping text on the screen. Virtualization lets us create simulated versions of computing resources. Instead of running one operating system directly on hardware, a lightweight layer called the hypervisor runs on the host and hosts multiple virtual machines. Each virtual machine runs its own guest operating system and applications. The physical machine is the host, and each virtual machine is a guest. There are two common hypervisor types. Type 1, called bare metal, installs directly on the physical server. Type 2, called hosted, runs on top of an existing host operating system. Examples include VMware, Hyper-V, KVM, Workstation, and VirtualBox. A virtual machine is an isolated guest with virtual CPU, memory, storage, and network. A VM image is a packaged copy of an operating system and configuration. A template is a master VM you can clone to create consistent new VMS. Why is virtualization? Better hardware utilization, isolation and security, flexibility and scalability, easier management with snapshots, cloning, and live migration, and cost savings across power, cooling, and hardware. Common use cases include server consolidation, development and testing, disaster recovery, and cloud computing. The basic workflow is as follows. 1. Install or configure the hypervisor on the host. 2. Create or import an image or template. 3. Allocate virtual resources like vCPU, RAM, disk, and network. 4. Boot the virtual machine and configure the guest operating system. 5. Manage your VMS with start, stop, snapshot, migrate, clone, or delete. Here is a quick view of live migration. A virtual machine moves from one host to another with minimal downtime. Think of the hypervisor as an apartment building manager. The building is the physical server. Each apartment is a virtual machine. Each tenant, the guest operating system and its apps, thinks they have the whole place to themselves, while sharing the same real utilities and structure. In short, virtualization decouples operating systems and applications from hardware, giving agility, efficiency, and resilience. Thanks for watching. I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert.